Guys, welcome back. I got a super quick one for you today. So, from time to time, if you have one of these saltwater pools, you'll have one of these electrolyzers, or um, anyway, the point is, every once in a while, it would ask you to check your cells. All right, so how these things work is it puts a charge on the water and ionizes the water and turns the sodium chloride into chlorine and sodium. Without getting into the science of it, from time to time, um, these plates have charges on them, and from time to time, the salt will build up on the plates, just the cells, and it'll bridge the cells and create an obstruction. So, to get rid of them, you can flush it with water and try to jet out the bridge, the salt bridge. But if that doesn't work, one thing that I found very useful was to take your string trimmer. If you have one of those weed whackers and you have these string trimmers, these make great bristles to be able to reach in there and kind of floss the system. So just if you ever run into a problem like this where it says to check your cell and clean them, this is one way to do it. Alright, hope this helps you. Good luck.